Hey folks, it's Jim from Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and guess what? It is the time for Valentine's Day, and when I think of romantic foods, I think of sharing foods, specifically fondue. And guess what? My friend Anna from Cooking the Books is hosting a collaboration encouraging people to make fondue. It's under hashtag Let's Fondue This. So if you want to see more videos, check out that hashtag. But watch mine first. I'm going to be making a boozy fondue using stout. I love stout. It's actually my favorite type of beer. Watch me make this fondue now. I'm going to start with a little cheese. The best cheese to use would be an Irish cheddar for this type of fondue. But I'm going to use this sharp white cheddar because I couldn't find the Irish cheddar this time. I'm going to toss that cheese in 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Toss it in there. I'm going to melt some butter in that fondue pot. And some minced garlic. Next, I'm going to use 12 ounces of stout. I found this maple syrup stout. I can't wait to try that in here. And now you can add some liquor like whiskey. Since I like a nutty fondue, I'm going to use this hazelnut moonshine. Put a couple tablespoons on top. A little mustard powder, and some salt. When it begins to simmer, I'm going to turn it down to medium-low. Now I'm going to add that cheese cornstarch mixture a little bit at a time, stirring after each toss. Just watch it melt in there. Look how brown it is, almost like chocolate. Time to start dipping. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. That's great! Well, there are so many types of fondue you can try. That was a great one. But to see more fondues, just check out hashtag Let's Fondue This. Thank you, Anna, for hosting this. I just love her and her channel, Cooking the Books. It's all about celebrating vintage cookbooks. Check out her channel, too. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Make sure you don't use stinky cheese in this. It'll be fondue-doo.